Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a BMW E46, and that's a weak spot right here on those E46s. Right here they always get unglued around the seat belt. People will try to clean them and sometimes they'll get them wet, or from the window, if you have the window down, you'll get wet and it's going to unglue immediately. So today we're going to attempt to repair that. We've done it on other cars, but we're going to see if it's going to work on BMW. Stay with us and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, we are going to use that chew goo. It's called chew goo. It's really cheap, but it works amazing. It works better than the 3M glues that we use, that they sell for vehicles. And what you need to do, you need to apply to both sides a thin layer. And I say again, thin. Do not make it thick, because if it's too thick, it's not going to dry and it's going to show through the fabric. So you need to apply a really thin layer to the fabric and the other side, and let them dry for about 2 to 3 minutes before we bond both surfaces together. Okay, we let the glue dry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now what you need to do, you need to bond both surfaces together, but make sure that it doesn't crease somewhere. You need to pull on it a little bit and apply a little bit of pressure. Okay, like that. And now, in order to get in there, you can get a screwdriver and just gently push it in. Okay, and as you can see, it looks pretty good for not spending much money, just a couple bucks on the glue. Instead of paying, I think they're about $120 a piece new at the dealer. And now we're going to fix this one as well. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.